Welcome to Zero Plus channel. Today we want to create an iOS 7 inspired tab or icon set in Adobe Illustrator, and in this part we want to create a trash icon. Okay, in first step we want to create or set up our document. Click File menu, New Document. From preset or recent, select a custom size 640 and 98 point and RGB color. Create. Okay. Okay. Now for body, select rounded rectangle. Okay, and stroke this color. Stroke 2 and fill no color. Okay, size to 34 in 50 and corner radius 4 pt. Okay, line horizontal and vertical. Zoom in. Okay, now switch to rectangle tool and create a rectangle by same width 34 pt, but for example 20 pt. Okay, change fill and stroke by shift X, align. Okay, select 2, align to key object, select as a key object and center. Okay, and top. Okay. Okay, now select a rectangle and switch stroke and fill color this by shift X, select 2 elements or item and from Pathfinder select unite. Okay, zoom in. Okay. Okay, now select rectangle and change stroke weight to 2 point and select rectangle. Okay, and create rectangle by size 2 point and 40 point. Okay. Okay, we can go exit from alignment, delete rectangle and to 1 point or okay 2 point, 2 point by shift X. Okay, I changed the color from stroke to fill. Okay, and now move to inside of rectangle and Control C, Control F, move the copy, Control C, Control F, move the copy. Select for item from line and dispute object. Okay, horizontal distribute center. Okay. Okay, now select this rectangle and Control G to group. Okay, and go to Effect and wrap and shell upper and preview, for example 4% horizontal, and so okay. Can check the okay. Control Z, it's not good. Okay, I select this rectangle and create right click and ungroup. Again, select all rectangle, Control G, and go to Effect, Wrap, and Shell Upper. Okay, I think it's good. Or yes. Okay, now with the wrap shape selected, okay, selected, go to Object and Expand Appearance. Okay. Now select Direct Selection tool and we want change this curve to a straight line. Okay. Okay. Now by direct selection tool, select this point and this. Remove. And now by rectangle. Okay. Oh yeah. By rectangle tool, create a rectangle by 46 in 2.8. Okay, and select to item, align to key object, select as a key object, and center and top. Okay, center, horizontal align center, and vertical align top. Can move to up. Okay, that's right. Now select a round rectangle tool and create 16 in 10, and for corner radius rounded rectangle, change. Okay, I changed the color from fill to stroke and stroke to center. Okay. Okay, now select by direct selection tool. Okay, zoom in, select these points and delete by keyboard. Okay, now zoom out. Trash icon now is ready. Okay, and now I add title label trash. Okay, select color and change size, center to artwork, select. Okay, trash. We can change the color. Trash. Okay. Okay, now from layer panel, trash icon and duplicate and rename it to trash icon activated blue. Okay, that's right. Change color to stroke. Change color to blue. No, fill to blue. Okay, and just to blue. Hide trash icon. Okay, and this to blue. Okay, and text to blue. Okay, now we need to select three rectangles. Go to annihilation mode, select, select, and change color to C correctly. Okay. Okay, now select them, go to object, compound path, and make. Now select body, this, and from Pathfinder minus. Okay. Now we have activated and unactivated. Okay. 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 Good luck.